Today I'm showing you how to make the easiest vegan Parmesan cheese without using one of these. Ready for the secret hack? Almond flour. The reason I choose almond flour is because you get the absolute most perfect texture for Parmesan. Look at this, guys. I mean, you just can't get that by throwing nuts in a blender, I'm sorry, but this texture just practically melts in your mouth. Get yourself a mason jar, and you're gonna see just how fast and easy this comes together. We're gonna use 1 cup of almond flour into the jar. Okay, and now to give it that cheesy flavor, we're gonna use 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. If you're not familiar with nutritional yeast, this is an absolute staple in any vegan pantry. It's gonna give your food just a little bit of that cheesy, nutty flavor, and it's a must-have for this vegan Parmesan cheese recipe. All right, 4 tablespoons. Now to round this out and give it that savory flavor, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. That was half. Okay. We're gonna add half a teaspoon of onion powder, which you don't typically see in vegan Parmesan recipes, but I find really takes it over the top. And then just add 1 teaspoon of salt. That's it. Grab the lid. Okay. Cover it up. And now comes the fun part. Shake. You're just gonna shake it thoroughly until you can see that the yellow of the nutritional yeast is pretty evenly distributed in here. That's gonna give you that feedback you need. And once it looks pretty uniform color, then you know that you're done. Now that it's well mixed together, let's take a look inside. Ooh la la. Let's do a little taste test. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. Check this out. This on top of your any pasta dishes, your vegan pizzas. Heck, I even throw it in taco salad. Literally, this thing is good anytime you want to punch up the savory flavor of your dishes. And this keeps in your fridge for a long time. However long almond flour lasts, that's how long this will last. If you like this tip, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Without one of these.